Want to see what $289,900 gets you in Lakeland, Florida when you're talking about a townhome? This beautiful townhome is a 2020 in Lakeland. It's 3828 Hampstead. It's on the north side of Lakeland. It has a one-car garage. The master bedroom is upstairs. It has 3 bedrooms and has 2.5 baths. You can see when you first walk in, you have that wonderful coat closet. This home smells like a brand new townhome. Here's a big storage room. Here is the powder room. That's the half bath. Look how open this kitchen is. Look at that. Look at all that counter space. I love this kitchen area right here. Usually they have the sink in the island. I love it over here. Look at the beautiful cabinets. There's a big pantry closet. And then look how I love this hallway, this foyer right here. You can have a nice console table right here to put your keys as soon as you walk in. Okay, let's go upstairs and see the bedrooms. When you first get to the top of the landing, you have this loft area. This could make a really cute playroom or an office. And then I love this closet right here. Look at all this space. Oh my gosh. So you have a total of 3 bedrooms up here. You have the laundry room. Oh, by the way, the washer and dryer stays. So here is the first guest bedroom. Oh, check out the closet. Big closet. Here's the second bedroom. Big closet. Here's the second full bath. Double sinks. Beautiful quartz countertop, tub, shower combination. And then way over here is the master. Look how large this master bedroom is. Definitely room for a king size bed. And check out the master bathroom. Double sinks. You have the quartz again. You have the shower and a living. Contact Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty if you would like to see